Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. Today we will be covering the part 3 of the series AWS Cloud Practitioner Real Exam Questions. If you want to check out part 1 and 2, I'll put the link in the description box as well as in the I button above. So let's start the first question. Which AWS support plan comes with a technical account manager? Now, this is regarding the support plans what we have for developer, business, enterprise and basic. So let me just show you the AWS docs where we have this plans in detail. So here you can go to this link awsamazon.com premium support plans. So here you will find developer, business, enterprise, on-ramp and enterprise. So you have trusted advisor checks. These are only service quota and basic security checks in developer, full set of checks in all others. So this way you can come general guidance system impaired and how much time it takes for the production downtime. This is very important. Okay, like if you take an enterprise one, which most of the big enterprises do take, so in less than 1 hour the production system downtime. Our question was regarding technical account manager. So yes, enterprise is the one, enterprise, on ramp and enterprise. So this is the one which has TAM assigned to it rather than developer or business. Okay, and what it does is proactively monitor your environment and assist with optimization and coordinate access to programs and AWS experts. Let's go back to the question. So the correct answer is enterprise. Next, coming to which pricing options are available when using Amazon EC2 reserved instances. So now, as we discussed last time, EC2 is a compute service. Okay, it's a virtual computer. So you have various types of EC2 request you can make based on what way how much you want to use. Like if you want on demand instance, reserved instance if you want for 1 year or 3 year term. Okay, so in that you have, what happens is you either pay all upfront or you either pay partial upfront. So the correct answer to this is all upfront and partial upfront. I'll put the link for reading about this in detail in the description box. So which database allows you to scale at the push of a button without incurring any downtime? So it's a fancy term that let's say that you can scale your instance resources using graphical user interface. Like within a push of a button, within a click, you can either change the size of your instance, memory, CPU, disk, either up or down. It's given to you only by DynamoDB. So the correct answer is DynamoDB. Next, which IAM entity can be used for assigning permissions to AWS services? So now let's go option by option. What it is saying, assigning permissions to AWS services, okay? Not defining, assigning. IAM access key ID and secret access key. This is the form of signing in to your AWS account in a programmatic way, okay? IAM policy is used to define the permissions, what kind of permissions you have to give. Okay, and so security token service I won't be discussing. I have discussed in my previous video in part 2. You can just check it out. I'll put the link in the I button above. And let's see what is IAM role. I'll explain you. Now I'll give a very general life example so that you understand in detail. Okay, see, suppose it's a story of a mom and daughter and her mom's friend. Okay, so the mom says, Sia, can you please bring some stuff from my friend's house? She says, okay, mom. And then she goes to her aunt and she says, Aunt, I have come to take mom's stuff. She might have called you. So that aunt says, yes, I will give it to you, Sia. So now the role is very clear here. For this lady, this person is her friend's daughter. And for Sia, this person is her aunt, her mom's friend. Okay, that's the reason they can communicate to each other. Similarly, if AWS services do not know each other, they will not be able to communicate. So to communicate to each other, they should be given a role. So the correct answer is IAM role. Hopefully this example helped you understand what is IAM role exactly. Now, what are edge locations used for? Okay, we studied this when we were studying CloudFront in the earlier video. So they are public facing APIs for S3? No. They are used for terminating VPN connections? No. They are used by regions for inter-region and connectivity? No. They are used by CloudFront for caching content. Because what CloudFront does is it has various edge locations. On the edge location, it will store its cached data. And once the user requests, it will go to the nearest edge location. Do you have my data? Yes, I do. So it will give you the data. It will not go and query the main server. That's what CloudFront caching content is about. Hopefully this session was useful to you. If you have any doubts regarding any service, please let me know in the comment box below. I'm also doing a tutorial on Java. Those who want to learn how to code in Java, please check out that tutorial. The links are in the description box. Till then, stay happy. Let's codify with Sonal in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I put a next video, you will be getting an update. Thank you.